Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to set up your items from our home theater collection. Go to our website at hhpl.on.ca to reserve your selected items today. In the home theater collection, you can choose from a 40-inch portable screen, an Epson projector, a Blu Ray player, a portable DVD player, and portable speakers. Borrow any combination of items to create the ultimate theater experience right in your own home. Items can be borrowed for 3 weeks at a time. We will begin with setting up our projection screen. The screen is designed for indoor use.
Your projector screen, you'll see on the bottom there is a part that says lock and open. So when you get it, it should be on the lock, and the first thing you do is just push this lever to open. And now, using the rings on the top, you're just going to gently pull your screen up while kind of holding the bottom with your other hand. And then when it gets to the top, you'll kind of feel it, and it clicks in place. Your screen is now ready and set up. To collapse your screen when you're done, just gently push on the top and then just push down and it will collapse into place, and then just put it into the locked position.
Now we can go through the process of setting up your Epson projector.
So this is your projector and everything that will come with it. So you'll have the projector itself, the power cord, the VGA cable if you're going to be using it with your computer, and your remote. So we'll start at the front. So this is your AV mute slider. So this is what you open and close to project your video. You've got your zoom and your focus rings here. You've got your slider that will help straighten your image if it's a little bit off. You've got all your buttons here that are also match what's on your remote. Most importantly, your power button is right here. And then on the back is where you have all of your connectors that you'll connect any device to project a video. And on the bottom of your projector, you have these dials right here that you can twist, and it will help you lean the projector to get the image exact. And you also have a stand on the front of your projector, and you just have to press this button and it will release, and you can get your projector on the right angle.
You can set up the projector using a computer using the VGA cable provided. Connect one end of the VGA cable to the projector's computer port, as circled here, and the other end to your laptop or computer. Make sure to switch your laptop to external display. You can also connect a computer with the HDMI cable provided. Connect one end of an HDMI cable to the projector's HDMI port as circled, and the other end to an HDMI port on your computer. Now we can go through setting up the Blu Ray player and the projector.
This is what will come with the Blu Ray player. You'll have the Blu Ray player itself, the power cable, an HDMI cable to connect to the projector, and your remote with batteries. So now we'll connect the projector and the Blu Ray player. So we'll start with connecting the power to the Blu Ray player. So it goes in the back here. And then we'll connect the power for the projector, and it goes in this part right there. Now to connect the projector and the Blu Ray player, we're going to use an HDMI cable that came with the kit. So the HDMI cord goes in the back of the Blu Ray player right there. Okay, and it goes in the back of the projector right there. So now your projector and your Blu Ray player are connected. Okay, so I have my screen all set up, I have my projector, and I have my Blu Ray player all connected with the HDMI cord. So I'm going to start out making sure that my projector is turned on and my screen is open and that my Blu-ray player is also on. And you can see the screen is on the projector screen. It is too small because I have the projector and the screen too close. When you set it up, you'll want them to be much farther apart, so you're using the entire screen. Now, if you need to adjust the image, you can use all of the buttons right here. I think we're ready to go. So we will be putting the disc, either DVD or Blu-ray, into the Blu-ray player. And starting to go. Because we've used an HDMI cord, the sound will be coming out of the projector. So you can use the projector to put your volume up and down, or you can connect a speaker as well.
Lastly, we can go through how to set up the DVD player and projector.
Now I'll show you what's in the kit with the DVD player. So you have the DVD player itself, you have your AV cables, your power cable, and your DVD remote. This is your DVD player, and when you open it, you'll see where you put your DVD as well as all of your controls. And on this side is where you'll plug in everything. So now we're gonna connect your projector and your DVD player. So to begin, to power on your DVD player, you're gonna hook up your power to the one that says DC IN 12 volts. Right there. And then we're gonna hook up your projector. And you put your power cable in right there. Okay, so now they both have power. And to connect them, we're going to use the AV cables. So the black end goes in your DVD player, so it goes in your AV out, which is yellow, right there. And the 3 colored ones go in the back of your projector. So you just match the color to the correct cable. And there we go. They are now connected. My screen's set up and I've got my projector and my DVD player. I've turned my DVD player on, the power on this side, and I've turned my projector on as well, just using the power button. You can also use the remote in both cases. So first thing is to make sure that your screen protector is kind of off, so just slide it this way and you'll be able to see that the projector is now projecting onto the screen. I have the projector and the screen too close, so the image isn't big enough. You'll want to make sure that they're farther apart so that you're using the entire screen. So now that our projector is on and you can see something on the screen, you can use all of these tools right here to get your image to the best quality. And I think we're ready. So we'll take our DVD. We're going to put it in our DVD player. With the DVD player and the projector, you may want to add a speaker. There we go. So the DVD automatically started playing, and it's automatically is on the screen. You can use the volume on the DVD player. You can also connect a speaker to the DVD player using the audio jack.
To Rhyme City.
There we go. All set up, ready for your movie at home. Once you're ready to turn the projector off, you just need to hit the power button twice. So you'll hit it once, and then a screen is going to come up asking you if you want to hit it again. And just make sure to always close the screen just to protect the bulb.
In terms of troubleshooting, make sure the status light on the projector is blue and not flashing, and that the AV mute slide on the front of the projector is open if the image isn't appearing on the screen. If necessary, also press the source search button on the projector or the remote control to switch to the correct image source. And lastly, press the home button on the projector or remote control to verify the source input and settings. Borrow any combination of items to create the ultimate theater experience right in your own home. To get started, simply reserve items online from HHPL's catalog today. We provide the experience, you provide the popcorn.